Very good morning to all of you. Now we are going to see the topic collision theory. Collision theory. Here we can find the general equation A2 molecule react with B2 molecule. They give 2 moles of AB molecules. The Z is collision rate constant. Collision rate constant. Usually the rate constant denoted by K, but here another one variable we are using, that is Z. It is for collision rate constant. Here for making effective collision, what is the condition? The particles must collide with the correct orientation. Here we can see two types of orientation. The first one, vertical A2 molecule combined with B2 molecule. The unstable activated complex is formed. From that, 2 moles of AB products are formed. Another one type of orientation, what is that? An unfruitful collision. Ineffective collision. So how it is possible? The A2 molecule, when collide with the B2 molecule, the correct product is not appearing. The reason, what is that? Both side last atom, here A, here B, does not be reacting with each other. This is ineffective collision. Otherwise we can say an unfruitful collision. First one, a fruitful collision. So from the diagram, it is very important, we have to note down, the particles must collide with the correct orientation for getting 2 moles of AB. Let us see the collision theory. Explain the collision theory. The point number 1. It is based on kinetic theory of gases. It obeys only the gases, not for solid and liquids. The collision between the reacting molecules. Okay. The point number 3, we can see the rate, collision rate, is directly proportional to the number of molecules colliding per liter per second. So usually we have known very well what is rate, the speed of the reaction. This depends on the concentration of the reactant. The same concept we apply here. The word alone is changed. The collision we have given. Collision rate. Collision rate directly proportional to the concentration of the initial concentration. A2 molecule and B2 molecule. The directly proportional, if we want to remove, so we have to add equal with collision rate constant Z. Let us move to the next slide. The collision rate in gases can be classified from kinetic theory of gases. Kinetic theory of gases. For a gas at room temperature 25 degree Celsius, suppose we are giving in Kelvin 298 Kelvin and pressure 1 atmosphere. So pressure and temperature, certain condition we should fixed for making collision, from which we can calculate the collision rate. Okay. In the collision theory, it is very important. One, what is that? Activation energy. Activation energy. For getting the product from the reactant, the activation energy is very important one. So what is activation energy? The colliding molecules must possess a minimum energy called activation energy. The colliding molecules A2 plus B2 must possess a minimum energy, that is called activation energy. So another one statement also we can give it. Activation energy equal to threshold energy minus energy of colliding molecules. Activation energy equal to threshold energy minus energy of colliding molecules. Let us move to the next. Okay, here by looking the diagram we can easily understand the activation energy. So in the diagram, a man is going to take a huge ball from here A to B. Here we can find the activation energy. The man is going to take the ball, large size of the ball, is going to move the ball from here to here, A2 and the peak. So how much energy is going to spend? That is called activation energy. So that is minimum. Here to the product is B but reactant is A. For getting the product, this much distance alone we have to spend energy. That is called activation energy. That's why the statement is given: minimum energy required to produce an effective collision. For example, flame, spark, high temperature, radiation. So another one important one word we can ask. The EA, capital EA, that is called activation energy, is denoted by activation energy. The lower the activation energy, faster the reaction. The EA activation energy will be low, means we can get the product fast. So EA, what is that? We are going to spend the energy this much height, but immediately we can get the product. The product will be fast. So another one diagram, Also is saying about activation energy. Here reactant is here A, here B. Generally A, B we can give it. Activation energy means what? This much height. That is activation energy denoted by EA. So EA will be lower, reaction is faster. Reaction is faster. Suppose EA is higher, the reaction will be very low. Here at the top, the activated complex is formed. Actually, the A2 molecule when collide with the B2 molecule, the AB effective collision is forming. That state is called a transition state, as well as we can say that is activated complex is formed. Before getting the product, what is the state? That is called a transition state. Here, what is a fraction of effective collision? Is denoted by F. F equal to e power minus EA by RT. EA, just now we have seen, that is activation energy, or gas constant, T temperature in Kelvin. Okay, regarding that, one question: how do you calculate the collision factor for the reaction having activation energy of 100 kilojoule at 300 Kelvin? F equal to fraction of effective collision, temperature. From the question we can write it 300 Kelvin, or gas constant 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole, and activation energy, how much energy is given? 100 kilojoule per mole. So what are the solution is given in the question? First you have to write as a given data. Next, F equal to e power minus EA by RT. The values you have to substitute. You have to substitute here. EA 100, activation energy. So kilo, that's why 10 power 3 we can write joule per mole, and or gas constant, the value 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole into temperature 300 Kelvin. Finally, F equal to e power minus 40, the total amount 40, here minus, so minus 40 will come. Actually what is the value? 4 into 10 to the power minus 18. So from that we can get it, out of 10 power 8 collision, only 4 collisions are sufficiently energetic to convert reactant to product. Out of 10 to the power 8 collision, only 4 collisions are sufficiently energetic to convert reactants to the products. 4 into 10 to the power minus 18. Okay. So regarding the collision theory, the fraction of effective collision we can calculate. Okay, next one, what is a rate constant? What is a rate constant? Rate constant, we know that the symbol is K. The rate constant even we can get from the collision theory. So how can we get it? The rate constant in the orientation of the reactant and the fraction of effective collision. The first, you should write the general equation. Already we have seen A2 plus B2 at a constant, collision constant Z, and a 2AB. That's the product. The next step, the diagram. We have to draw, again we have to draw that. Okay, this for understanding. Already explained. Next, rate. What is the difference between rate and collision rate? Collision rate. Usually, from the rate law, we can find the rate speed of the reaction equal to P, steric factor. P means steric factor. Here F. F means what? Fraction of effective collision. Fraction of effective collision should multiple with the collision rate. Collision rate. So usually we have known that F equal to e power minus EA by RT, fraction of effective collision. And the collision rate, what is that? From the general equation, collision rate equal to Z, concentration of the reactants A2 and B2. Okay, just you substitute here the steric factor P. So that is here also we can write P, and fraction of effective collision, what is the F value? Then collision rate Z, concentration A2, concentration B2. As per law means what? What is the rate law? The concentration of the reactant, concentration of the reactants with the rate constant is equal to the rate. The simple definition, the rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of the reactant with the rate constant. Okay, as per law we have to write the rate, then the rate equal to P, and then F, then collision rate. Just you substitute it, right? Okay, left hand side, right hand side, we have to see which one are equal. A2 concentration, B2 concentration. So both the side will cancel. So remaining K equal to P, then this is Z, e power minus A by RT. So we can find the rate constant in the collision theory.